Hi food lovers, today we are going to explore a delicious and unique snack from Sierra Leone, banana cake, also known as Mokor. This mouth-watering snack is made using a combination of ripe and unripe bananas, and it is a must-try for anyone who appreciates the sweet and tasty flavor of bananas. First, guys, let's gather our ingredients. We need unripe bananas and ripe bananas, also some sugar, some flour. We also need habanero pepper, some jumbo maggi, onions, some salt, white pepper, and black pepper also. Okay guys, so let's start it. We have to peel the bananas, and this is the unripe bananas, and they are so hard sometimes to peel. Just make sure you remove the skin as much as you can. Okay, so this is the way I'm going to peel it, and if I have any remaining skin on the banana, I'm going to use my little knife to just scrape the remaining skin off. Okay, and this is the way I'm doing it. I'm going to use my little knife to just scrape the skin off. And as for the ripe bananas, it's different. For the ripe bananas, you just, it's easier for me to peel. This is the ripe bananas. This is the way I peel them. It's way easier. You don't need an extra knife or to scrape anything else. Okay guys, so I have to wash the unripe bananas after I peel them off. Okay, sometimes they get darker when you leave them too long, so just make sure when you peel them you put them in the water so that they will not get dark. Okay, so I'm just washing just the unripe bananas. Okay guys, so I have to transfer the bananas into a bigger bowl. Yes, so I have to transfer them to a bigger bowl so I can be able to slice them into pieces. And this is the way I'm going to slice them, everything. I'm going to repeat this process until I finish everything. Okay guys, so I have to dice my onion into pieces and with my habanero pepper. You can blend them together if you want to, or you can just dice them into little pieces so that you can be able to add them. Okay guys, so the next step is to add my sugar. I'm using organic brown sugar. You can use any kind of sugar. I'm adding some all-purpose flour also, and I'm going to mix this. Next, I'm going to add the onions also, and I'm going to add the habanero pepper into the bowl. I'm going to add some salt with that, and I'm going to continue to mix it. Okay guys, don't forget to add some seasoning, jumbo maggi, some black pepper, white pepper, so that it can give it that extra kick of flavor. Okay, finally guys, I'm going to turn on my stove into a medium heat, and I'm going to use my big pot. I will be using some olive oil. You can use any kind of oil of your choice, and I will let this oil preheat for 7 to 8 minutes before I started adding the banana cake. Okay guys, I will use my hand to grab the bananas. While I am grabbing the bananas, I will press them flat before dropping them into the oil, just like that. Yes, so I'm going to repeat this process until I finish frying my banana cake, okay? Okay guys, so I will fry this banana until they are gold and brown, okay? And as you can see, you will see the color changes, and just make sure you flip them around, turn them around so that they will not get burned. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this process until I finish frying this banana cake, and you will see this is so good. Trust me guys, you need to try this, okay? And there you have it guys, a scrumptious banana cake or mokor, perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth and enjoying the unique flavor of Sierra Leone. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you guys for joining me on a cooking adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and full experience. Until we meet again, happy eating. Bye-bye.
So what is this? What is this called? Mokor. What is this called? Safi, what is it called? Banana cake. They call it banana cake in Sierra Leone or mokor. Say mokor.
Mokor.
No, look here. Say what?
Mokor.
No, mokor.
Mokor.
Mokor. Yeah.
Mokor.
Mokor. What is this called, Safi?
Mokor.
Yeah, hold it. Wipe your hands. I don't want you to wipe your hands on your pack. What is it called? What is it called? It's not that spicy. Why is your nose running? Is it spicy? Oh my, it's not. Fatima, is it?
No, just add a pepper.
Is it good?
Yes. Not spicy. Mommy said she put a little bit of pepper in.
This is so good. Look, guys, I can eat this all day. Like, seriously. Like, it is so good. I used to sell this when I was younger. I used to take it to go sell to people. My mom would fry it and they'll put it in a big bowl and I'll walk around selling it to people. So this is really good. It's like a snack in Sierra Leone. Everybody from Sierra Leone knows it. So you guys need to get used to this. What is it called?